boy Wonder.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back?
What up, snackies? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? It's Friday. It's Friday. And it's birthday. Y'all, so I come for you guys with another meal. Is my lash coming off? With another meal cooked by moi. So as y'all can see by the side, we have a tomahawk steak. We have some corn on the cob, some fresh broccoli. Oh, I forgot my bacon. Hold on, y'all. I had some bacon up here too. All right, y'all, I'm back. So like I was saying, we have some corn, broccoli, tricolor peppers, some bacon, and a tomahawk steak. So without further ado, guys, let's snack. And we have a black cherry Waterloo today. We're gonna get that popping. Don't worry about the watermarks on my glass, okay? All right, now for my steak, I do have some A1 sauce. This is maple bacon, y'all. Oh my gosh, it tastes so good. But I want to get into this steak. That steam. All right, y'all can still see it. Oh, wow. Yeah. We got our A1. This got a lot of fat on it, which, ooh-wee. Yes. Ooh. I need to drop that. Them bell peppers taste so good. Y'all, I sauteed them. And the bacon fat juices. Oh my gosh. We do not have a grill at our condos. So I cook this the next best way that you can cook a steak, which is skillet style. So we browned the meat. I browned the meat. Ooh, that's some fat. Y'all see that fat? Who eat the fat? Who eat the fat now? That's actually really good. So I browned the steak as best as I could. Y'all know Shay like her steak well done, okay? So I browned both sides, like probably like I want to say a good like 10 minutes each side. Cause I did like 5 minutes, flipped it, 5 minutes, flipped it back, 5 minutes, flipped it back, 5 minutes, and then I put it in the oven. So that it can cook all the way through. Because I didn't want the steak to look like crispy burnt, you know. And I wanted to save some of that fat. And boy, was it worth it. Now, y'all, I did this all by myself. I had no help from Mr. Snacks. He did not help. He did not help me in the making of this tomahawk steak. So I'm thoroughly proud of myself. I ain't gonna lie now. When you see how big this steak is, FYI, got this steak from Sam's Club. Relatively inexpensive. Like, I was surprised. Consider how much they charge at somebody's store. At somebody's restaurant. It was intimidating seeing a steak so huge, you know. I hope it's cooked all the way through. That was my thoughts. That steak with that bacon is really good. And this is Harmel black label maple bacon. That's really good. But before I go any further, I do want to say thank you to everybody who checked out the last video. I am going to start doing like a shout out to the first 3 people who commented. So let me go ahead and get y'all names, because shouts out to y'all. And oops, pressed the wrong button. The first 3 people that coming in on my Wednesday's video was Love Always. Oh my gosh, MVP for sure. Jazzy J, shouts out to you. And Eat With C, I think that's a YouTuber. So shouts out to you, and y'all go check out her channel. Thank you guys so very much for snacking with your girl. Okay, I truly appreciate it. I started to do a butter sauce. I'm really glad I didn't. The A1 sauce, ouch, that's myself. That A1 sauce with that, popping. That's busting. I'm sorry, I'm talking about popping. I've been telling people they popping lately. That's been like my positive praise and affirmation to people. Like, you popping? Like randomly texting people and stuff, leaving the comments on Instagrams and trying to leave it on YouTube. YouTube is the hardest for me to leave comments on. I can watch your video, but can't leave a comment. Why? Because I be doing multiple things, y'all. It's hard out here for a pimp. Y'all, the strawberry, I love the watermelon, but the strawberry Waterloo, it tastes just like strawberry soda. And it ain't nail liquor sugar in it. You heard me? Alright, now we getting in the middle. It's done. I know Mike, when he eat these leftovers, y'all, he gonna be so disappointed because he like pink in the middle. I couldn't stand it. What y'all got planned for the weekend? If it's not too late, I'm gonna try to do a walk-in facial. That's gonna be my self-care for the weekend. If it is too late, then I'm gonna have to do something, a backup. I'm not sure yet what my backup gonna be though. I could go get a pedicure. I need that. Definitely need that. Oh, and all of you guys that are in Texas, y'all know that my sissy poo, my booby, Cuzzle AB is having a meet and greet in February. February 8th. I think that's that Saturday. For some reason, I want to say the 7th. It's February 8th, so go to CuzzleAB.com and go purchase your ticket. The ticket is only $1. And the ticket is to, just to get like a accurate head count. But check this out. Your girl SHAI Snacks might be there. So go get that ticket if you're in the Texas area. Hands down, this was amazing. Oh, I see a little light pink tinge as you get closer in. As I said before, this is a meal fit for a queen SHAI. Chewing a little fat right now, y'all. I know everybody don't eat the fat. Y'all know what y'all missing. That tasted real good for some reason. I hope I got a thumbnail before I started. Y'all, I don't know what I'm eating next. I feel like doing next week I am going to have a special guest on the channel. That's gonna be cool. I don't know why, but I've been craving some hot Cheeto pickles, so for some reason I want to do that. I want to do, who challenges it? 5 wings in 5 minutes. Who challenges that, y'all? I want to do that. I want to do Tay and Lou 11 lobster tails and 11 bites. So that's the direction I'm going in, y'all. Hopefully. And Therapy Tuesday, y'all, Therapy Tuesday, we're going to be talking about depression again. If you haven't checked out this last Therapy Tuesday, which was, I feel like, very, very therapeutic. And you know, the goal for my Therapy Tuesday, guys, is to help someone. You know, it's not just for me. It's not just for me to be sitting there eating. It's to help someone. If I only touch one person, that's what my Therapy Tuesdays are for. And like I've said before, I appreciate you guys watching all of my videos. But if you don't watch no other kind of video from me, please watch Therapy Tuesday. I feel like mental health is so important. It just doesn't get, even though it's growing, we still are not where we should be when it comes to mental health. Guys, be who you are, be beautiful, take care of yourself, because self-care matters. And I love you guys to the moon and back. And until the next video, love, peace, and hair oil. Peace.